That's what my brother said. What's that smell? Oh, you've not been cooking.
Not exactly. Well, I tried.